Ladies and gentlemen, Ghost Rider Air Shows is proud to present Nathan Hammond and the de Havilland Super Chipmunk. An experienced aviator and aerobatic performer, Nathan has amassed more than 8,000 total hours of flight time in more than 50 different kinds of aircraft. Today, he proudly serves as one of the world's last remaining professional skyriders, performing at aerial events across North America both day and night. Flying this 1956 de Havilland DHC-1, designed originally as a trainer for the Royal Canadian Air Force, we're in for a display of low-level aerobatics in this classic air show airplane. Flying has been part of Nathan's life ever since he was a young child, growing up in an aviation family. With experience flying aircraft ranging from World War I biplanes to corporate business jets, his favorite type of flying is what you're seeing now. Let's watch out in front of us as Nathan continues and flies the Ghost Rider into the vertical for his next maneuver. As a skyrider and international airshow performer, Nathan stays busy traveling across the continent, performing in everything from air shows to music festivals. Utilizing his onboard smoke system made by injecting a lightweight oil into the exhaust, each of his skywriting messages can stretch more than 10 miles wide at an altitude of more than 15,000 feet. It is from this altitude where it can be difficult to spot Nathan's airplane from the ground, but the messages high above give it the worthy name of the Ghost Rider.
Up and down, practice higher, fleas and ticks jump everywhere. There's a moment to listen. Down the hill from Jack and Jack, you can't talk like after. There's a moment to listen. Straight home to happy you may find a lifetime passed you by. While the words you say, I'm dropping the big ones you are holding on side.
This Super Chipmunk has been highly modified into the airshow airplane you see today. It features a custom-built 350 horsepower motor, an advanced composite propeller, shortened wings, and a streamlined canopy, turning this airplane into a lean, mean airshow machine. Capable of over 6 Gs or 6 times the force of gravity, this tight cornering capability allows Nathan to keep his flying displays up close and personal. In addition to flying his low-level performances during the day, Nathan is also one of a handful of pilots who's also authorized to display at night. Under the cover of darkness, the Ghost Rider can be equipped with more than 200 pounds of fireworks, pyrotechnics, lights, and special effects to allow for an explosive and sparkling nighttime performance.